This is a review of the Logitech G920 steering wheel that I'm going to be doing an unboxing and a review about. And in this review, we're going to show you guys everything about the steering wheel. And without going further, let's dive in and unbox this and show you guys what you get inside this package. Okay, so we got everything unboxed, and to show you guys, this is the pedals. Then we got some wiring right there, and the steering wheel's right over here. And this is the instructions on how you do it. And I do want to say that this is for your Xbox One, Xbox Series X, and then for your PC and for your Mac. So all pretty much 4 things are compatible for that you could be using it for. And yeah, so I'm gonna take everything out and show you guys more in depth about this steering wheel. Okay, so I got everything out, and I do want to say that the pedals are absolutely beautiful. The pedals are real metal, so the quality right here, I can firmly press this. This is the accelerator. Then this is the brake right over here, which it does, you have to push it very hard because since it's a brake, it's going to have applied force onto it. And this right here is the clutch. And then right from here, I do want to say for the steering wheel is absolutely beautiful. The reason why I'm saying that is because this whole thing is real leather, 100% material. It looks absolutely, it feels very nice and it feels very sturdy, really high quality. And apart from there, you get the pretty much the paddle shifter, so you could, when playing the racing games, you could downshift on the left, right, the upshift, and from there we get the horn as well too on right over here. Then we get the A pretty much for the Xbox, the Y, X, A, B buttons, and then right over here we get the Xbox logo. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to set this up to my Xbox One, and I do have a Forza 6 edition which I'm going to test this thing out to see the durability and how well this thing works. So without going further, let me go do that and show you guys how this steering wheel feels. Okay, so I got everything set up now. What we're going to do now is to pretty much turn on my Xbox One. So pretty much hit this button right over here. And this is the calibration. As you can see, the calibration has been done successfully. And I do want to say that it's been, really quick and fast as compared to my Logitech G920. This one is very fast and then, it's pretty much ready to go and pretty much to turn on. What I'm going to do now is pretty much play Forza 6 and show you guys how beautiful the steering wheel works. Okay, so we got everything on. This is on my Forza 6 Edition Xbox console, and one thing, I've been using this for quite some time now, and I do want to say that as I've been using this for the past like 30-40 minutes now, I do want to say that number one, the quality of this, the leather is really amazing. Like I told you guys, 100% real leather, and it feels very firm when you drive, just like how a real NASCAR race car steering wheel is like on a car in real life. And I just love how the size of the steering wheel, it fits perfectly to my hand as well too. If you have a big hand, it will fit perfectly on it as well too. Even for a small hand, no complaints at all. But not just that, but the brake pedals, like you can see on the bottom as I'm driving, if the brakes are 100% real metal, it feels very firm and very sturdy and high quality. That's one thing I want to note for the Logitech G920 is that the quality is really amazing. And not just that, every single bump when I'm driving, you could feel just like how you feel in real life if you bump into something. But not just that, but the paddles also 100% real metal quality. It feels like if I go to manual mode, it's going to upshift and downshift just like how it does in a real life car or exotic car that you own. And it really, it feels very firm. That's what I want to say. I did own a Logitech G920, and I could say that it performs just like how that one is for the Logitech G920. And pretty much the same as the one I had before for my PS3 console. But for the Xbox Series, I'm absolutely amazed with the quality. It really is phenomenal. It works really well. It feels, it changes the whole experience of your racing experience when you're playing any racing games for your PC, Mac, Xbox Series X, your Xbox One. It outperforms, it really is a good steering wheel. And I feel like this steering wheel, it really does do the job like what is intended. So, and I'm absolutely happy with the steering wheel. If you're looking for a steering wheel to pretty much change your gaming experience and you want to change up the whole setting, the environment of racing, then I would definitely recommend the Logitech G920 because of the fact that it really is one of the best steering wheels that you could get, and for the Xbox series. And it's pretty much for the PlayStation as well too if they make it. But overall for the Xbox, I'm absolutely happy with it. 100% real leather. It feels like a real car you're driving. The brake pedals are really firm as well too. 100% real metal. Pretty much, I'm absolutely happy. No complaints at all about this. If you're looking for a steering wheel, then I would definitely recommend the Logitech G920. And I overall am absolutely happy with this product.